kabaryo. Na. Ah, hanggang ito na yun. Ang laki nun eh. Burrito. Anong taba? Taba ng baboy. Taba? Meron namang isda eh. Oh. Mangisay. Tayo.
Volunteers there back turning up more than 10,000 volts along Christmas Tree Lane. In new mile-long stretches of demonstrating that the strong under 5 years. Many fear the fires will end the tradition.
I was definitely worried about the tradition. As part of my life since early childhood. I was definitely praying that the trees would make it through. When we finally got the academy, we came in, we had hazmat suits for volunteers, took the lights down. And then we were able to accept what we had to witness.
Every gentleman team that survived the fire, volunteers are back every weekend working toward December lighting ceremony.
We could be nearing a decision on the fate of Glendale's historic Sears and Roebuck building. The building on Central Avenue has been vacant since 2020, and the owner wants to replace it with housing, commercial space, in the public park. Wednesday, that owner is expected to submit an application to the city to be allowed to exceed requirements for the total number of units allowed. If the application is approved, the final decision on the Sears building could be made at a hearing next month.
For the last couple of years, UCLA has been the center of several major protests, and now ahead of the fall, so it's still making the changes for students and their free time.
Ayo. Hindi lang, nang baboy ba yung mga ano? Isabit ang nagano yan eh. Hindi tama. Kaya nga, ikulong yun, kahit mga minor, ikulong yun. Isabit, hindi kaya alam, isa rin ano din yan. Gago eh. Sa video. Yan.
Sabi niya, that's prohibited to. Kasi medyo aggressive at ito. Kaya, hindi ko naman ito pa lang talaga dito. So, hindi naman yan, passionate na passionate. So, before the so my other point is I think that this is our one today. Whether you are one with the rest or not, your game is the same. Diba? Parehas kayo ng game ng rest. Okay? Ang game ng rest, unang kay Sarah. Ang game yung unang kay Sarah. So ngayon, on our friend, wala kayong pinagkakita. Ngayon, sinolo, once to take off Sarah first, okay, ang game ng rest, parehas ng plano. Ngayon, ito ang mga sila. What different from the other side? Wala kami sa kaya kung magkaiba kayo, hindi kakagawa kayo din po tayo kayo po apat kayo rin po. Sabi niya sa akin na po, ang galing. Nakalaman ko namin sa ito na nagsiruha. Kasi para-parehas kayo. Para lang sa mga rin, para lang sa mga geno, para lang sa mga customer. Diba? Ayoko nga rin, bakit pa kayo? Para sa akin, sabi ko na natin sa tao, kung ano kayo, para ganun yun. At Tapos na namin, parehas lang yun.
Accounts with government censorship, whatever. About that was
Ma'am Joey, na pala, no, nakita ko yung may mga kaibigan ako na nandyan sa rally kahapon ay nag-rent ako ng van. Tapos tinanong ko sila dyan, pinadala ko sila. So, na-observe nila, nakita ko rin sa mga video, na yung nang-instigate ng gulo sa Ayala, yung mga bata, may mga nakaredy ng sako ng bote sa gilid ng kalsada. Especially yung malawig na trailer. Mayroong mga sako ng bote doon sa gilid. So I'm not sure kung yun ay prepare nila or someone na nagkakalakal iniwan yun doon. But it looks, ano talaga sila, sila for this. To observe din ng mga kasama ko, especially doon sa may Mendiola, na may mga grupo na galing doon sa Ayala Bridge. Pumiwalay sila, pumunta sila sa Mendiola, pero ang sigaw nila Duterte. Pero nagtataka sila, hindi yan grupo ng Duterte. So they are trying to paint a picture na tayo ang gulo. So Ma'am Joey, final point ko. Now, na nag-offer tayo, guys, listen, think about this. Nag-offer na tayo na ang